Here are some more expressions you will need to know when you are buying something. So, using the verb devoir, je vous dois combien? How much do I owe you? Je vous dois combien? So, this is another way of asking how much does it cost. Je vous dois combien? I owe you how much? The next verb is payer. So, to pay. You can pay either en espèces. You know what is that? It is in cash. So, in cash you can pay using un billet de 20 euros, a note of 20 euros, un billet de 20 euros, un pièce de 1 euro, a coin of 1 euro. Avoir la monnaie, to have the change, to have the money. Avoir la monnaie, to have the change. Rendre la monnaie, to return the change. Avoir la monnaie, rendre la monnaie. So that is how you pay in cash. Other methods of paying is par check, by check, par carte bancaire, par carte bancaire, by bank card. Par check, par carte bancaire. And the next verb is changer. Je voudrais changer $1000 en euro. So I want to change $200 in euros. Changer. Changer is exchanging. Je voudrais changer $2000 en euro. And finally, the last expression is avoir de l'argent. Avoir de l'argent means to have money. Il a beaucoup d'argent. He has a lot of money. Il a beaucoup d'argent. So once again, these are some expressions you use when you are buying something. Pour acheter or pour payer. Devoir. Je vous dois combien? How much do I owe you? Payer. En espèces. So you can pay en espèces, par check, par carte bancaire. So en espèces, you can pay either using un billet de 20 euros, une pièce de 1 euro. So that is how you can pay. Avoir la monnaie, to have the change. Rendre la monnaie, to return the change. The next verb is changer. Changer is to exchange. Je voudrais changer $2000 en euro. Finally, avoir de l'argent, to have money. Il a beaucoup d'argent. He has a lot of money. That is the expression you use. So now you must be familiar with the terms and expressions used in buying and paying for things.